Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to export transaction history from Exodus. It's pretty much simple. The first thing I'd like you to do is launch your Exodus wallet, which of course I have done right here. Now, I'd like you to know that Exodus is a multi-chain crypto wallet that supports over 50 different blockchain networks. It allows users to store tokens from all the supported networks in one seamless wallet. So now that we know a bit of what Exodus is about, let's quickly hop into today's task, which is how to export transaction history from Exodus. So from this homepage, head over to the bottom corner of your screen. You're going to find a couple icons representing diverse features. So the second icon here you're going to find is wallet, and down to the last icon. So click on this last icon, just follow the cursor, and it's going to take you to this window where you have Web3, NFTs, history, assets, security, settings, support, and staking. So go ahead and click on history. Now it says, oops, no transaction. So buy or receive crypto to get started. So click on the buy crypto button for you to get started. Or if you want to search for your transaction, click on all or click on all assets. Just use any of the filters for you to search for this particular transaction that you want. So if you want to export this transaction history from Exodus, just go ahead and click on this export history as CSV button at the top right corner of your screen. So once you click on that, it's going to take you to the process that is actually self-explanatory. So this says done. So just click on that and it says, oh, it says done. I literally have no transaction history. But once you click on that, just check here. You're going to see this window that says, that's going to let you know once it's done or once it's not done. So here I have this. I have literally no transaction history. So I don't even know why that's already popping up. Okay, so you're just going to see that it's done. Okay. So you're going to see that it's done. So click on this and it's done. You're going to get the banner that shows up that it's done at the top right corner of your screen. So this is pretty much how you can export transaction history from Exodus. You can go over the tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you begin to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.